Hi, everyone. I just want to do a quick review on how to access your WebEx personal meeting room. And the reason I'm repeating this video, well, I'm not repeating this video, but I'm repeating these instructions, sorry, is because I've had a few instructors contact me to say, hey, I'm trying to invite students to a WebEx meeting and the system is not allowing me to enter their email addresses. And that's probably because they're not a part of the WebEx system. You have access to your, you have a WebEx account because you're a Front Range instructor. So that's what's going on. So there was a reason why I showed you how to access your personal um, meeting room URL the other day in the training, and so wanted to remind you how to do that. So you see I'm at the Cast-O-Matic screen because this is where I go every time I'm about to make a video. Just a reminder that you can also use these kinds of tools with your students to give them quick instructions. All right, so let's go. I'm going to close this tab. I think I already have. Let's go to a new browser. So you're going to need to go to inside.frontrange.edu. So I'll leave that there for just a second if you want to jot it down. Inside.frontrange.edu. Hit enter. This page will load. You need to log in with your S number and your eWolf password. Hit enter or click sign in. And this is the home page for Inside FRCC. This is our intranet where we keep a lot of our forms and links and protocols and policies and guidebooks and handbooks and links to FRCC tools. So I was scrolling down, you saw, and I'm going to click on WebEx now. So once you're inside the intranet, you can feel free to look around. There's all kinds of great resources there for you. I clicked on WebEx. Sometimes when I've clicked on WebEx, it asks me to log in again. It will ask me for my Front Range email, so you would need to have your Front Range email. It also has asked me for my S number and my eWolf password. And so remember what I said on Tuesday during the WebEx. If you go to WebEx, if you go to eWolf, the login page, to get there, you go to the Front Range homepage. There's a little link in the upper right-hand corner. It says eWolf, the same location where there's a link for D2L. So when you click on eWolf and you try to log into eWolf, and you can't, remember there's a reset password link on that login portal. And remember, eWolf is where you go to enter final grades. Front Range has a couple of different logins, network logins, online eWolf logins. So just trying to help you to know, to navigate how to reset your password if for some reason you don't have your eWolf password. Anyhow, WebEx will sometimes, when you click on that WebEx link from inside FRCC, sometimes it will ask you again for your Front Range email, for your S number, for your eWolf password. And once you enter all the information that it's asking for, you will finally land here. This is the first page. You will see this is the home page. Here is where your personal meeting room is. This is the link you should provide to students for all the meetings. You don't actually have to have a meeting set up. You can just give them this link. Tell them the start time of the asynchronous session. Tell them the end time of the asynchronous session. You know, you can start a meeting right here. You can log into this page and just click start a meeting once you've communicated the link to the students. But this is the link the students will need. So when I work with my students, in the past 8 weeks, I had online office hours on Wednesday nights. I will continue that, and I will probably continue to offer synchronous sessions as well in addition to those online office hours. And every time I schedule something with the student, I usually schedule it with them in D2L. They know that the course is meeting on Saturday mornings from 9 to 10:30. This is the link I give them. And when I hold online office hours on Wednesday night, this is the same link I give them. I use the same meeting room, this personal meeting room every time. So that's how I recommend that you use WebEx with students at this time. They don't have the ability to join a meeting that you've scheduled through WebEx because they're not WebEx users. They don't have WebEx accounts. So the best you can do is provide this personal meeting room link. And then once you give this link, anyone can join you in that personal meeting room. because you've given them the URL. They'll be able to join the meeting. All right. If you have any questions about WebEx, how to log in and find your URL, how to use it with students, please let me know. I'm available to talk with you via cell, via WebEx, whatever you would prefer. And I hope you're doing well, staying safe, warm on this snowy Thursday afternoon. Or I guess it's morning still. I've lost track of time. So be well, everyone.